open your App Store, type in Seesaw, select Seesaw class and install. Once your app is downloaded, open the app and tap I am a student. Tap to scan your QR code. Make sure you enable your camera. Once you have logged into Seesaw, you can see all of the work that you've produced by clicking on the Journal tab. To see the activities that your teacher has set for you, click onto the Activities tab. Once you've selected your chosen activity, make sure to read the instructions and to click any links needed. To respond to the activity, simply click the Add button. Here you will see a screen with your task. You have various options on what you can do. You can respond by writing, clicking the text button. You can do an audio response using the microphone. You can add a picture, or you can simply use the tools at the bottom to draw directly onto the task.